Welcome back to Instables. Again, going over our daily update on our intraday swing and long perspective here again, as we do have our 20 crossing above our 50, looking for that shift from bearish into bullish momentum as we are crossing above the upper end of our channel that we have been getting, again, multiple rejections from, now continuing on above it with our 20-day crossing above our 50, looking to see if we can respect it to the upside. What exactly are we looking for from here as we are closing within our prior day's body? And again, this is after Powell speaking yesterday. As we are digesting Powell, what exactly are we looking for to continue on higher, and what would give us any confirmation on that possible bearish momentum? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, looking for those major volatile breakouts that you want to be watching throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the spot, jumping right into our intraday perspective. As you guys can see, again, we do have two candles that we're focused on here. One is yesterday's candle, again, opening lower here and closing higher here. And then going into today, we are opening and closing here within our prior day's body. So again, we are sitting overall within consolidation. So I would be looking at our hourly chart, again, a symmetric triangle forming here because again, we are having our current day's body close within our prior day's body here. So again, we are getting consolidation here, looking to see if we can break above this symmetric triangle here on the hourly chart. As you guys can see, we are dropping just below our 50-day moving average, so this could be a possible continuation on lower if we continue to respect our 50-day to the downside, again, within our symmetric triangle. That is our intraday perspective from here. But again, our overall perspective on what would be the safer play, in my opinion, here would be looking to see if we do get confirmation. Again, I know that we are on a pullback, but again, we are closing lower here, giving us a chance of that possible engulfing candle. So again, that's what we're watching out for as far as that possible continuation on higher. And we are still looking to see if we can close above our 416, again, prior rejection that we have been focusing on, again, from our prior sell-off point over here. So again, we are making sure that we do continue on past our prior sell-off point that we did get a pullback from, again, from our inverted hammer here that we did continue on this pullback from. Now looking to see if we get this consolidation to break higher here and continue to respect our 20-day to the upside as we are above the up end of our channel. So again, swings, very much looking to see if we do get that bullish candle structure here on the daily chart. Intraday, looking for that symmetric triangle break, in my opinion, is what we were looking for. Now looking at our weekly chart, looking at our swing perspective, again, we did close above the up end of our channel again for a couple weeks now. We have been talking about this. We have been continuing on with bullish momentum, but as you guys can see, we are sitting on a pullback here, possible rejection candle here for that possible retest of our 20, possibly crossing above our 50 here. We do like how our 20 is starting to curl up. That gives us that possibility of that possible continuation on higher, but very much on the weekly chart, we are suspecting that we do need to come back down at least to retest here on our 20 weekly moving average. So again, keeping an eye on exactly when we do cross our 20 weekly moving average above our 50 weekly moving average will be that swing perspective, will be that confidence, again, for that possible swing a week out, a couple weeks out. That's what I'll be looking for here on the weekly chart as far as that confirmation. And as far as that long perspective, again, looking at our monthly chart, again, we are in perspective like yesterday that we are testing our 20-month moving average with the possible rejection candle, assuming since we are testing that we would get that possible rejection candle before we got that confirmation, right? So again, we are sitting on that current rejection, but again, this candle still needs to close. We still can close above our 20-month moving average here. So again, from our intraday perspective, we are keeping an eye on exactly how we do move within this candle within this month. Again, recognizing that we are testing our 20-month moving average, even though we did continue on higher, again, closing here within our prior day's body that we did mention, again, that we did need, since we did close on an engulfing candle. We needed to close within our prior month's body here. So again, we did continue on higher here, now retesting. This could be, for all we know, a major rejection if our 20-month moving average continues to curl back over and we happen to respect it to the downside and we have this major sell-off in the market. So that's why we are looking for confirmation here on the monthly chart to make sure that we are going to continue on higher here, make sure that we at least close above our 20-month moving average till we do get that continuation on that momentum would be very key for me as far as that long perspective. But again, to recap on our intraday perspective, jumping back into our daily chart again, we are closing within our prior day's body, closing lower here. So again, we are slightly cautious here, definitely looking for that confirmation intraday, possibly breaking above that symmetric triangle on the hourly chart, or possibly coming back down and possibly shorting the market down to this level. But in my opinion, not a lot of room to run to the downside as much here. But in my opinion, that confirmation, that stronger momentum will be playing into any confirmation either higher or possibly continuing on below our 20-day moving average, assuming that we probably would retest our 50-day at least at that point in time. So again, if we drop below our 20, we know that our possible target is our 50. But if we are looking for that momentum to the upside, again, very much looking for that possible engulfing candle to show that we are respecting our 20-day to the upside. So again, very much on watch here for a major move to continue on higher or lower here within that symmetric triangle on the hourly chart, as we do have our 20-day curling up here, looking to see if we can respect it to the upside. We'll see exactly what happens. Again, digesting Powell. Let the market digest Powell. Let the play come to us here, in my opinion. It's going to be very key, guys. Watching that hourly, again, symmetric triangle will be what we're going to be watching out for going into tomorrow. Now, again, with that said, again, if you are a day trader, if you are looking for pre-market news that you want to be watching before market open, we mentioned any pre-market news, any breakout, anything that you would want to be watching as far as very volatile moves, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, KPRX was a very nice breakout today on a huge target. I hope you guys caught that one midday. That was a very nice breakout, honestly. A very simple one in my opinion. Pre-market, decent breakouts, but that KPRX 119 target that was from $7 to over $8, just a nice breakout. I thought that was a really nice play. That was a good play, honestly, today. Take what the market gives us, guys, as we have been. And again, much love to everyone. You guys stay blessed. And again, if you do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.